After an initial disassembly, I removed a broken screw that had snapped off in the neck. I then filled the gap with wood filler and scraped off the excess. I cleaned up the neck and body using light fluid to remove the grime, and then a Dario Restore Cleaner to give it a glossy shine. All of the metal parts, excluding electronics, were cleaned using the Autosol metal polish and ultra-fine wire wool. Then I cleaned up the bridge and tailpiece assembly. I level, crowned and polished the frets. I used a gloss black paint to cover the paint chips. This was a bit of an experiment. Then I sanded and polished the area. The final result wasn't perfect, but certainly better than the bare wood. After inserting new tuner eyelets, I attached the tuners. After stringing it up, I noticed the action was far too high, so I added a neck shim. I also sanded the bottom of the bridge. To sit the strings better, I used small needle files to adjust the bridge. And after screwing on the tailpiece cover, the guitar is all done. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow.